In a career span of more than 30 years now, in which I've been either practicing or teaching about the healthcare experience, nothing has advanced that process as much or as fast as technology. Technology provides us opportunities that we never had before. What we would like to do is share with you what we call the digital diagnosis. The digital diagnosis is one of the most important and essential programs for making a patient feel more comfortable with whatever it is that you have found that's going on with them. Using technology the way that we need to today inside of a healthcare practice to enhance the patient experience is important. Yes, we know that. Everybody knows that. But how it's used and how it's used wisely within a practice so that we can preserve the time of the provider and so that we can give that patient the experience that they need and want. That's what we do. That's what we would train your staff to do. Putting this program in place makes huge changes. We have seen in practices that we use this with, we have seen instant changes in patient acceptance as far as how much a patient accepts treatment, and what that does, of course, if we look from a number perspective, if we look at the financial aspect of that type of transition, what we see happen is that as patients accept more treatment, the per patient value increases. It pays for itself very quickly, very, very quickly. I encourage you strongly to put the digital diagnosis in place. If you're an orthopedic practice, definitely put the digital diagnosis in place. If you're a dental practice, definitely put the digital diagnosis in place. And I've not found a specialty in healthcare where it doesn't become effective. There are all kinds of things that we use, all kinds of modalities that we teach in this process would be specialized and tailored to your specific setting as far as the type of practice that you have. And I promise you, it will pay for itself very, very quickly. Remember, it's all about the patient experience.